Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the winner again. We're here on the part 2 vlog ng Palacio De Memoria virtual tour. Last time, kumain tayo sa the Lhuillier, which is the alfresco restaurant dining sa loob ng Palacio De Memoria. We've also toured the Museum of Palacio De Memoria. This time, papasukin naman natin at dadaling ko naman kayo sa loob ng mansion mismo ng Palacio de Memoria. So keep on watching guys and don't forget to subscribe. So guys, we're now here at the mansion itself. So we came from the museum and now we went here at the mansion. Unfortunately, there's a wedding event happening downstairs, so we can't really explore the ground floor. So we headed here at the second floor all the way to the third floor. So we're gonna explore the place, and clearly this is really a great mansion. A mansion that was restored back to its former glory starting from 1930s nung ito ay tinayo. No? So it was actually owned by a Spanish descent businessman who came from Peru and then went to the Philippines to have, to do business, and then later on this was actually sold to the Villaroman family. So yeah, we're gonna explore the place. So guys, here what you can actually see are the items that actually for sale, no, for auction siya. So talaga makikita mo yung mga price niya, very expensive. No, so parang nanggaling to sa mga historical era, di ba? So talagang very kung meron ka nito, talagang ibig sabihin may pera ka. on exploring the museum, the Lhuillier, which is the restaurant, also of course the mansion, yung second floor sa third floor. Unfortunately, yung ground floor, we won't be able to explore it because there's a wedding event happening. And also what I like about Palacio De Memoria is that there are planes parked, but of course it's not flying. You have to pay 50 pesos for you to get inside, but right now it's not possible kasi may events or wedding event na nangyayari. So maybe next time we'll try to do that. And another thing that I like Palacio De Memoria is that you know, the giving importance to our heritage structure, yung talagang pagpe-preserve, no? This has been sitting for quite a long time na talagang deserted, they call it haunted mansion before, but right now it was restored by the Lhuillier family, and now it was restored back to its former glory, and now it's an events place, a museum, an auction house, and of course employing people, and of course showcasing the, you know, the past era, the bygone era that we have in the past. So there you go. So I hope you can visit this place. It's a nice place, very relaxing. There's a lot of trees, as you can see. So who would have known na nasa center to ng in Metro Manila, but clearly this is a very nice, look at that, that is the mansion. This is a very nice place to go with your friends if you appreciate yung mga heritage structure, dining in, and if wedding perhaps, no? And of course yun, yung plane, no? Sana makapasok tayo in the future, although we all miss traveling by plane, no? So there you go, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, support my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you have question, you can put it in the comment section, and also please follow my Leica. It's Wayne Lee Travel Vlogger, and also follow and like my Facebook page, which is The Wayner. So there you go, guys. Till our next video, because here you're the Wayner.